Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your controller is not working in Hogwarts Legacy on PC, especially if you're using Epic Games. First, make sure Epic Games Launcher is completely closed. Check the system tray and confirm it's not running in the background. Now, open Steam. If you don't have it installed, download it and create a free account. We're using Steam because it has excellent controller support. Now, go to Steam Settings, then Controller. Connect your controller and test it. Enable the correct configuration depending on your controller. Xbox configuration for Xbox controllers or PlayStation configuration for PS4, PS5 controllers. Also make sure controller shutdown timeout is set to never. Next, search for Epic Games Launcher on your PC, right-click it, and choose Open File Location. Do this twice until you see the Epic Games Launcher.exe file. Click the address bar, copy the full path. Now go back to Steam. Click Add a Game, then click on Add a non-Steam game, then on Browse. Paste the path, select Epic Games Launcher.exe and add it to your Steam library. Launch Epic Games Launcher from Steam. Once Epic opens through Steam, start Hogwarts Legacy normally. Now, once you're in-game, your controller should work perfectly. As you can see, all buttons are detected and gameplay is smooth. And that's it. Simple fix for controller not working in Hogwarts Legacy on Epic Games. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other PC gaming fixes. Thanks for watching.